Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use file command on Linux. So at the beginning we open the terminal, and what is a file command? File command helps you to identify the real type of a file. So I have some examples and I will show you how you can use it and why is this so helpful. So let's say we are in the home section. As you can see, we have some directories, we have some I prepared a text file, I prepared even a screenshot, so we will use this and we can check how does it work. So the most basic usage of this command looks like this: file, and right now we have to specify what we want to check. So at the beginning we will check that test.txt file, and we will see the output. As you can see, test.txt is a ASCII text. So this basically means that this is a text file. And why does it matter? And why we can use this command and instead of just reading the extension? Because file extension can be misleading or can be missing, and this command analyzes not the file name, but the file content, the content that is inside of these files. I will show you an example how does it work in a practical way in a second, but right now we can move to the maybe screenshot. So we will check the screenshot. As you can see, file, screenshot. This is also working. This is the name of the screenshot, and this is a PNG image data. We even have the size of this screenshot and some more information, so this is also useful. Right now I will create a maybe script, and I will show you how this command works in the practical way. So I will create a script, touch script.sh. This is a script file because this is a sh extension, and even though this file has sh extension, as you can see, the file command will not print for us that this is a shell file. As you can see, this is empty because, as I said before, this file for now is empty, and this command analyzes the content inside of this file. If I will edit that and I will write something into it, so script, and I will create a really simple bash script, so like this, and we'll print, for example, hello, like this. We'll save that. I will modify the permission in order to run it, so like this, and we will run it. As you can see, we're getting hello output, and right now if I will use file script.sh instead of empty, I will get this is a shell script. So as I said before, this command analyzes the inside of the file, not just the name, and this is why it can be so useful. Of course, we can use some option. I think useful option, for example, in this screenshot case, because the name is really long, we can use the brief output. So we can add -b option and the screenshot, and this -b option basically removes the file name from the output. So instead of getting this, we are just getting this from the right. So this is also, it might be a little bit more better to read, I would say, and you can also use it. Of course, we can we can check the multiple files. So if you want to check the whole folder in one command, we can use something like this. So file and this star, and as you can see, we are printing the whole home section. As you can see, we have directories, we have this PNG image data, we have this shell script, and we have this ASCII text. Of course, the file command also works on directories, as you can see. So I can check, for example, documents, and it will also work, and it will print for me that this is a directory. So now I will show you maybe some real tests For example, we can do something like this. I will clear that and I will do something like this. So we will move this screenshot.png into a, for example, fake.txt. As you can see, we have fake.txt, and we will use file fake.txt. And as you can see, even though that this is a file with the txt extension, we are not getting output that this is a ASCII text as we did before, but we are getting output of the PNG image data. And this is basically how it works. If you know, and if you found this video helpful, and you know how to use file comment on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.